Hi Tom, just some quick points spread over perhaps a couple of videos as I'm taking the engine out of the chassis. A few points to help you. First one, I've now fitted your water pipe kit to the to Chuck's chassis with your engine. Just a point on the clips under the seat. We'll have a quick look. I can show you. Yeah, the two clips on this side, obviously make sure that they're just over out of the way of this central lump in the seat, just so it clears. The solid pipe actually goes under that section, so there's no danger of you crushing the pipe or anything like that if you go over curbs. The other point to watch is that the curved pipe at the bottom does travel quite close to the bottom of the gear lever. You can perhaps just move it a little bit forward. The other point is on the engine adjustment. You do want it to be as far back as possible. It is starting to get a bit further forward there. I could probably take another link out of the chain, but that of course will help with that that bend being out of the way of the gear change as well. It might be worth making a little bracket out of floor tray that you can just fix those two pipes down to the floor tray so they're clamped in a particular position, but it's not that madly important. Rear engine spacers, on the back there's a thicker one on the left hand side and the thinner one on the right hand side, and they'll be just through on the bolts in the mounts as they'll come shipped to you. Where the pipe passes up the back here, and you'll have a small tie wrap round there just to stabilise it. Then obviously a bit of a split length of the blue silicone hose or whatever hose you've got just over that area, and then tie wrapped just to stop it chafing. Similar situation at the front. To keep this pipe out of the way of the gear change rod, then you can see I've just looped a tie wrap round there to pull it in a little bit, which does bring it quite close to this engine bolt, front engine bolt. So again, if you've got a sort of a thin piece of sleeving, something like that, just to stop it chafing against that that bolt head, then that would help. Apart from that, front engine mount, sorry. Yeah, on the right hand side, as the engine is sitting in the cart, then there's just a single 10mm washer between the engine and the mount, and on the right hand side, on the left hand side, aluminium spacer. Again, they'll be in the mounts when they come to you, and I'll just put a cable tie in the middle of the bolt so you know which end they're separated out, etc. So I think that's it for this short video. Okay, I'll get the seat out now.